Hey guys, so today I got my 3D printer kit that I got from Amazon, and I'm still working on building the other one over there with the CD and DVD drives, but this is a kit that I got. And I've been working on it for a few hours, but it's a little bit confusing. In fact, it wasn't rated very high on Amazon just because there were so many people that couldn't figure out how to put it together, but I'm getting there, so that's it for now. I made some other videos today too, about working on the house, which I'll upload probably tomorrow. It just requires a little bit of editing, so that's what's going on right now. But that's it. So it's got the X, Y, and Z axes, missing a few screws and parts. This is the LCD screen. This is, I guess, one of the controller boards, and this is the power supply. And let's see, got the extruder right here. A fan, I'm not sure what that's for. And then this is where I have all my parts sorted. So yeah, that's exciting. Well, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.